They do. I like that. This is Ellie sitting up. She's just started this a few days. Or this week. Ellie totally loves bed, you can tell. Penny, I like that song, and you're not yelling, which is wonderful. Aww. I love.
Look, she's picking stuff up.
Pure sweet honey.
No.
Whoops. Oh.
Thanks, Benny. You know what? That has weed in it, though.
Can I have another bite, Ben? No.
You only get one bite.
You only get one taste test? Okay. Oh, sorry.